And submit. Hello, you're already watching. Well, good morning and welcome to the third session of SAP HXM Mornings. I'm still Sven Ringling. I'm SAP HXM advisor at Orbis People in Germany. You just caught me finishing my expense report on the Concur app here. And some of you remember that last time I mentioned Concur as a quite important part of positive employee experience. And some of you asked me, is this really such a big deal? And I have to say, absolutely. Just for my own example, I've been working as a consultant for almost 20 years. And when somebody asked me whether I do love my job, I said yes, except for one thing, and that's expenses. I hate it with a passion. And this was until the end of 2014 when my company implemented Concur for expenses. And that really changed it completely. I never thought I would say this, but this almost makes expenses fun. And apart from that, really, Concur gave me the two big cloud moments, the first cloud moments as a consultant. That was even before then, back in 2011, I have been asked to manage a travel and expense project, and it was implementing expense management, travel booking in 10 countries, and we had 11 weeks. And I was used to the SAP on-premise travel management solution, and I said, no way. But I did convince myself that with the cloud solution, this might be possible. Not that I really knew much about cloud at the time, but you know what? It did work. It was a bit stressful, but we managed to implement the solution in 11 weeks, and that really showed me that you can achieve a lot more with a cloud solution if the context is right and if you are not lagging behind on change management, training, and so on. The second cloud moment in my consulting life was in the same project. When we went live, we had tried to de-scope a little bit because the schedule was quite tight. So one thing we took out of scope was a mobile app. And what happened was that somebody forgot about this being out of scope and it was still available. So what people did, they downloaded the mobile app from their app store and used it. And it just worked without training or anything. We accidentally went live with the mobile app in phase 1, even though it was planned for phase 2 only. So that showed me that there's something that's really easier in cloud that especially at the time was in the on-premise solutions. So I think I kind of spent my time already. So maybe my plan to talk to you about HXM Move will postpone to the next session. And in the session after that, I think I'll bring my colleague Anja Marksen. She is our Concur guru, and she will be able to really talk sense to you about the Concur driven expense solution and why it's really such a great addition to your employee experience in your organization. I do wish you a wonderful day with great experiences. See you next time, and thank you for watching.